Hi, everyone. I'm Vincent Noonan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Waivern. Welcome belatedly to the Waivern Weekly Update for week 5 of 2026. Over the course of January, we've onboarded our first 3 clients. Yay! It's been a very good feeling to cross that threshold, and it's unleashed a tsunami of work as we sprint to trying to make our working processes and tools way more efficient. Another good thing is that our clients' range of needs of us is also expanding. Now we're helping our clients with all of GDPR, ISO 27001, and AI governance as well. And that validates our strategy of seeing tech compliance through the eyes of the customer, not through the eyes of a specialist in a particular regulatory framework. Why are we doing that? Well, all the regulations converge in the technology, product, and business teams in a startup or a scale-up. For leaders and decision makers there, it's another cognitive burden, one that they see as distracting from their core business. When that core business, i.e. their whole reason for existence, is blocked by client pressure for compliance evidence, regulatory enforcement, or by cost pressures, that's when their sense of urgency really kicks in. That's the monkey that they want us to help get off their backs. So yes, that's where Waivern comes in, with an efficient hybrid of expertise supplemented by tools to get the job done faster and more cost effectively than our competitors. Our job is to really make compliance as straightforward as possible for our clients. Feedback so far suggests we're achieving that. We're also learning a lot about how to get the door open to a conversation with prospects. Even if we'd like to think that Waivern is a product company, our clients' first concept of us is still rooted in advisory services. That's what they mostly need, or at least think that they need, when they first ping us for help. They need gaps analyzed, they need policies and assessments written, and so it's our job, obviously, to nail the delivery of those to meet that immediate need, but also to show them how the job can be done cheaper, better, and faster with our tools, and then convert them over time from clients to subscribers, or a combination of the two. That's why we've spent time over this last week also studying the service to product business strategy. It's a thing. That's helping us to understand how to get the balance right between non-scalable but in-demand advisory business versus the profitable, scalable software as a service business. Right now, with us being such a young company, the balance between those two revenue sources is just hopping around from one week to the next. So it's really a topic for down the line rather than burning right now. But it's one that we're already very aware of. We're trying to ensure that all of our customers are constantly encouraged to use all of the capabilities in our proposition. We also did an advertising drive this week on both LinkedIn and Instagram, exposing hopefully lots of new prospects to the problems that we can see that they have and which Waivern addresses. It's all going to be good for building our brand and hopefully generating future revenues. So now we have to return to studying ISO 27001. We're doing the lead implementer exams next week. But what we're also seeing as we study and learn that is there's lots of opportunities for automations in that space. So tune in again next week. That's me saying goodbye. Bye.